Rashid, if you don't know Venda today, boy,
Yeah?
Unyile.
Me, I speak only 11 South African languages, bro.
Liar.
Come on, don't play with me.
Liar.
Don't play with me.
Liar.
Don't play with me. You know, just to remind you, we still have Liti coming on later. We still have Fizi, Jane Con, Renee Tufab. You know, who else? Man Gale is in the building. Pro Head. If you saw the flyer, it's about to go down. But right now, we still have open mic niggas warming up the stage. You know what I'm saying? So that when you guys come on, it's already lit. Up next we have Della Reyes.
Where the fuck is
Della Trey's, where you at?
Then the trains pull up, man. We're giving you 2 minutes to come, not even, 30 seconds. You got 30, pull up, let's do some shit, let's rap, let's have some fun. If not, Rashid, let's move on, fam, yeah?
Yeah, we're gonna move on right now. Della Trey's one, going twice, 3 times. Question mark, where are you? Question mark, are you in the building? Going once, oh, you're there. If you're not there, we move on. I'm taking music to the DJ.
Shout out, dog. Della Reyes in the building. Oh, you got music?
That's question mark. Della Reyes didn't show up. This is question mark.
Alright, cool, man. If you don't pull up, it ain't on us. We're gonna move straight along. A lot of rappers in Mabone wanna fucking do their thing.
Zombie, get ready, cause you're up next. It's the Masterclass Hip Hop Sundays. We do this every Sunday. We've had Motwako nights, we've had Tippy, we've had Spaza, we've had Durban Poison, we've had Pumalanga's Finest, we've had Soweto Uprising, we've had Kasi Rap. This is show number 28. Every Sunday the theme is different. Next week we have Gomorrah, that's Alexandra. Next week it's gonna be Alexandra only, otherwise known as Gomorrah. Let's go. Yeah.